Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about an important topic in which we don't even pay attention to at all, and a lot of people are suffering from it. They don't even know. What is that? I will be dwelling on depression. What is depression? What are the symptoms of depression? What are the causes and the treatment? Depression is classified as mood disorder. It is described as feeling of sadness, loss or anger, and which can interfere with person's daily activity. When you discover that you are always sad at all time, you are always angry about every little things, that is to tell you that you are suffering from depression. What are the symptoms? Number one, mood change. You are always angry, like I said. You are always aggressive. When you discover that your level of aggressiveness is just going higher and higher, those are the symptoms that you are suffering from depression. Every little thing irritates you. Those are the signs, those are the symptoms. And at times you feel like you can't even sleep. You are suffering from restlessness. Those are the symptoms. So you need to pay attention to all this. If you are feeling all these symptoms, this is to tell you that you are suffering from depression. Number two, emotional well-being. What do I mean by this? You are feeling empty. You are always feeling empty. You are feeling sad. There is no hope. You are feeling that there is no hope. There is level of hopelessness. If you are feeling all this, those are the signs and symptoms of depression. Number three, behavioral change. What do I mean by this? You don't even have pleasure in any activity that is going on around you. There is suicidal thought. That is a big one. And you are drinking excessively. You need to pay attention to all this. If you are feeling all this, just to tell you that the depression has set in. Number four, cognitive ability. What do I mean by this? You find it difficult to concentrate when somebody is talking to you. You find it difficult to even reply immediately, or they gave you a task, you can't even complete it. Those are the signs and symptoms of depression. Number five, brain structure. That's another thing, And what do I mean by this? There is a risk of depression if the frontal lobe of your brain is less active. What do I mean by frontal lobe? Frontal lobe is something that control. We can call it is something that control our brain, that make it to communicate. And if it's faulty, so it will make somebody to be depressed. Number five, medical condition. There are a lot of people that they suffer from one illness or the other, or they have suffered from chronic pain. It can make somebody to be depressed. Number six, drug use. When people are just you are into alcohol, you are into drug, it makes somebody to be depressed. Those are these causes, and those are the signs. So how do you treat it? Number one, there is medication for it. If you are feeling all these symptoms, that is not the end of the world. You need to talk to your GP. You need to talk to your doctor that they can prescribe medication for you. They call it antidepressant. If they give it to you, it will help you and reduce the level of the depression. Number two, psychotherapy. That is speaking with with this therapist. They will help you to learn some skill, that will help you to cope with a negative thought that is coming, into your mind. Number three, exercise. That is very, very important. Everybody should be able to exercise at least for 30 minutes every day. You can do this 3 or 5 days in a week, which will help you a lot. Another treatment is avoiding drinking alcohol or drinking any drug. Let me just tell you this. You can drink, if you drink alcohol or you take any drug, it will help you. You feel better a little bit, for a little bit, not for long. After a while, it will now, the consequence will now add even to the symptom of the depression. Living with depression can be difficult, I know and I understand. But when you discover that you are feeling all this, when you seek for help, it will make you to have a quality life. And how do you do this? The only way you can do this is to talk to your doctor, talk to your GP, talk to the professionals they will help you. I know, I understand it could be depressing at times when you are passing through one thing or the other, but the only way to help yourself is to speak out. If you speak out, help is available. It is important to realize that feeling down at times is normal and is part of life. When you are feeling sad or you are upset at every time and you can't even control it, that is when it's becoming a medical disorder and you need to pay attention to it. I really appreciate you. Look after yourself. If you are feeling all this, speak out and help is available. Thank you for watching. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe, hit the notification bell and click the like button. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.